Hi, in this video I'll be showing you our new skeleton animation tool. So to start off, I'm gonna grab this template right here, which I will use as a guidance when I'm creating my skeleton. This isn't necessary, but I find it to be helpful just to know where all the bones should be. So here I'm just gonna make sure it's the correct size, then I'm gonna copy paste all the positions over, and then I will start creating my skeleton. Once I'm done with copy pasting all the images over, it's time to create the skeleton. So first, it's good to take a look at how the skeleton looks like facing the south direction, just so you can easily see what is right and what is left. Once you understand how the skeleton is built up, you can then generate looking to the right. Then you can click the edit pose, edit skeleton button, and then just move the points to the right positions. And what you can do later is you can copy paste the skeleton over to the next frame and move the points, then copy paste over and keep doing that till all the frames are fixed. You can also, at your own risk, use the selection tool to rotate points and stuff like that. Just make sure that none of the points disappear when you rotate, because that can create some bugs. Just be warned. This is still, experimental, so I will make sure to make improvements and fix all these bugs, but at the moment you need to be a bit careful when doing things that are outside the box. You should know that all these skeletons that you make, you can just save and reuse for other characters. So the work that you put in, you can reuse. So it's time well spent. Maybe we can even share some skeleton poses on the Discord channel, so people have a easier time getting started. And I will also try to add as many templates as possible to the plugin, so hopefully you won't have to edit as much, or we'll get a good start. Otherwise, the skeleton tool is very easy to use. Some things that's good to know is the last point that you moved gets like highest up in the order, so it will be, if the points are overlapping, it will be rendered first, so it can be a bit hard sometimes to know which point is below which. You can look at the alpha value at the moment if you want to make sure, but hopefully I will figure out a better way of doing it in the future, but that's how it is at the moment. Similarly to the animation tool, you can only generate 4 frames at once, but don't worry, you can just move forward in the frames and generate from for example the 4th position, and you can do the rest of the frames. So you can see here 2 of the frames in the UI are have an image, and 2 of them have a black background. That means that the last 2 will have something generated into them, and the first 2 won't. Now I'm just gonna use the animation tool to get some nice hair movement, but you should actually be able to do this with the skeleton tool as well. I haven't tried, but at the moment the skeleton tools in painting isn't as good as the animation tool, and that's why I'm doing it with the animation tool instead. It is something that we are working on, and once it's released, it won't be an issue, and you'll be able to do all of this in the skeleton tool instead of the animation tool. Here you can see me drawing in the in-painting layer, and what this does, it allows the model to only edit that area. And you can see that in the UI where it's black. If the whole image is black, it means that the model can generate into all of the image. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And yeah, I will see you next time.